Hello and welcome to KSGindia.com. India's first HFC hybrid car. India's first hydrogen fuel cell electric hybrid car successfully completed its maiden test run in Pune. The indigenously developed technology was a collaborative effort between scientists from two Council of Scientific and Industrial Research Labs, National Chemical Laboratory Pune and Central Electrochemical Research Institute Karakudi along with KPIT Pune. The technology developed over 4 years has the potential to reduce dependence on petrol and diesel once introduced in the markets. This could mean fewer polluting emissions due to fuel combustion from vehicles. In the HFC technology, hydrogen gas from the onboard gas cylinder interacts with the MEA, that stands for membrane electrode assembly, from the anode side to produce protons and electrons. The protons, after passing through the proton exchange membrane, interact with the oxygen from the local air available on the cathode side to produce water. The electrons flow through the outside circuit and produce electricity. Unlike vehicles running on fossil fuels, which emit polluting gases like carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide, the only byproduct in HFC technology is water. Another advantage is that this HFC is at least 5 to 6 times lighter than the traditional HFCs presently available in India. This technology is better suited for heavy commercial vehicles like trucks, buses, rather than passenger cars, and KPIT is also developing a similar technology for commercial vehicles. At the heart of the fuel cell electric vehicles is a device that uses a source of fuel such as hydrogen and an oxidant to create electricity by an electrochemical process. Put simply, the fuel cell combines hydrogen and oxygen to generate electric current, water being the only byproduct. Like conventional batteries under the bonnets of automobiles, hydrogen fuel cells convert chemical energy into electrical energy. From a long-term viability perspective, FCEVs are built as vehicles of the future, given that hydrogen is most abundant resource in the universe. So ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching KSGindia.com. Stay tuned for more informative and updated videos.